Come on, Josh.
And now for the black belts in the open class.
Hook that leg, hook that leg.
From Brasa, Andre Galvao. Luis Del Loro. Mat number 1, please.
Come on, Josh. That's your game right there, man. Nice. Come up.
Down by
Nothing.
an ad, Josh.
Down by what?
He's down by an ad.
Why?
I don't know, they gave him an ad for like a near pass.
Stephen Goyne to the medals podium, please. Last call, Stephen Goyne.
Nice.
Come on, Josh. Go.
Nice.
Nice. 2 points.
It's 2.
Where's the 2 points? 2 points. 2 points. 2 points. Yeah? Should I throw this in there? I'm fucking getting up. Where's the 2 points at?
Josh, you don't have any points.
Take that pass. You gotta tap him, Josh. You gotta tap him. Who's that sweep from the side, right?
I don't know why they're not calling throw sweeps.
Tomas Sone from Yamasaki Academy is now disqualified.
Pass, Josh. Pass. Flatten him out. Nice. Take him down there, Josh. Take him down.
Medals podium.
Yes.
Oh.
Down by 1 ad, flatten him out.
20 points for that. Josh, you got to work to get the pass now.
You're down by an ad, Josh.
You got 2, right?
It's 2 to 1.
Oh, he's got 1. I can't see Josh's. Let's go, Josh. That's it. There you go.
Neiman Gracie
Pass.
from Gracie Baja and Gabe Barahona from American Top Team, C-Ring Coordinator number 9.
Come on, Vogel.
Barrick Hamilton from Casio Wernick, C-Ring Coordinator number 2. Third and final call to James Davis from Gracie Baja North Shore. Third and final call to Ronald Crook from Lotus.
Come on, Josh.
Third and final call to Anthony Carlson from Boggy Martial Arts, ring coordinator number 6, please.
Run around.
Keep driving.
Nice. Where's his pass points? Shit. Half guard. Get him to the half guard. Vantage. Where's my man's vantage? There you go. One more screw up. I'm jumping in there.
Come on, you need another ad. You're tied, Josh.
Josh, you're tied. You got to get another score. Something, yeah. Fuck the advantage. Get that choke. Get that choke. He's got the lapel. Fuck. Right. Pass, Josh, come on. Bring that hip down, Josh. Bring that hip down. He's got to drop that hip.
Come on.
There you go, yes.
Come on, come on.
Where's the advantage, man? You got to... Yes, Josh, you're up. Relax, Josh. Relax, relax. Take him down. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Wager Nyman. Wager Nyman. To the medals podium, please.
What's the time? 6?
Mitch Young. Mitch Young to the medals podium.
Josh, you got about a minute left. You got about a minute left. Josh, you are up. You're up. Right?
Leo Ranciere from Yamasaki Academy. Alonzo Martinez from Healing
Nice.
Gracie to ring coordinator number 10.
Josh has got mean face on. Fucking. There you go. Go. Don't accept that pass, Josh. Do not accept it. You keep busy now. You keep busy. You got about less than a minute left. Come on, Josh. Put him back in the guard. Don't let him get to the half guard. Come on, get him back in the guard. Sweep him, sweep, sweep, sweep. Sweep him over. Take him over, Josh. Come on. Nothing, nothing. He's got nothing. No vantage, no vantage. Josh, keep holding on. That's 7 minutes on here. Yeah! Josh, hold it, hold it. You got like 30 seconds.
The administration table, please.
Josh, it's almost over. Relax, relax.
You're up, Josh, too.
Maintain, but relax.
Hold on, relax.
Chase Sweet from Alliance. Nathan Mendelson from Claudio Francia to ring
Time,
coordinator number 3.
yeah, good job. Time, good job, Josh. Woo!
David Benavente from Fabio Santos, the ring coordinator number 2.
Nice job, Josh, good job.